In this guide, I'll show you how to connect your PS5 to your phone hotspot. So the first thing you want to do is go onto your phone and swipe in the top right corner. From here, you want to select the 4 icons in the top left, and you just want to ensure cellular data is turned on. So once your cellular data is turned on, we're going to go to Settings. And from Settings, you just want to scroll down and select Personal Hotspot. Now once you're here, you want to toggle on Allow Others to Join, and then you can set a Wi-Fi password. So after you've done this, you can close out of your phone, and on the PS5, go to Settings in the top right corner. From here, we're going to go to Network Settings, scroll down to Settings and scroll over, and we're going to go to Set up Internet Connection. Then what you want to do is wait a few seconds for networks to be found, and you should be able to see your iPhone here. So I'm going to select it by pressing X, and then you want to enter in your password you created on your phone. So after you've input your password, you can press Done and press OK, and now you can see we're connected to the phone hotspot. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.